How you guys doing? This is Tino from LAPC and iPhone Repair. We're located in the city of Burbank. We're one of the local services and business. We're across the street from Porto's bakery. There is Porto's right there. And let me show you a little bit about the store, the number right there. And we do any type of services on iPhone, iPads, computers. Repair when you want to repair your front screen. We carry most of the parts in the stock, and if we don't have it, we do a special order for you. We do also activations with Prepay services like T-Mobile, Simple Mobile, Page Plus, Boost Mobile. We carry accessories. We carry for iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch. We do services like if you want to put your TV in your wall in your house, we can do that too. And this is just a little preview of our setup. Some of the plans for these two companies, let's say, where we carry them all. Page Plus, T-Mobile, Boost Mobile, Airboys. And you're welcome to come anytime to our location. And actually right now we have 20% off through Job. So if you guys do check into the Job application or the Job website in your phone, you're gonna get 20% off. Alright guys, thank you very much. We're here to help you.